In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a search bar to your site in Squarespace. Whether you're an e-commerce entrepreneur or a small business owner, having a search feature on your website can significantly enhance the user experience, making it easier for your visitors to find exactly what they're looking for. So let's dive in and quickly walk through the process of integrating a search bar into your Squarespace site. First things first, you'll need to log into your Squarespace account. If you haven't already, head over to the Squarespace website and click on the login button. Easy enough, right? Once you've clicked login, you'll be greeted with a few sign-in options. For today's demonstration, we'll go ahead and click on continue with Google. This is a convenient way to access your account if you've linked it with your Google credentials. Simply select your Google account from the list and you'll be directed into the Squarespace dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to see a list of your websites. Click on the website where you want to add the search bar. Remember, choosing the correct site is key, especially if you have multiple sites under the same account. Now let's move on to the page editor. You will want to navigate to the editing interface, which you can do by simply clicking on the edit option. This will bring up the editing tools you are familiar with and allow you to customize your site's layout. With the editing screen open, it's time to add the search bar. Look for the spot in your layout where you think a search bar will be most effective. Ready? Now you'll want to click on Add Block. This action allows you to insert new features and elements into your page. A menu of various blocks will appear. Don't let the choices overwhelm you. Simply scroll through until you find the search block. With a simple click, you can add this block to your selected spot on the page. You'll see that adding a search block is a straightforward process, making it easy to enhance your site's functionality. You can move the block around or adjust other elements to make everything look seamless and inviting. So go ahead, explore a bit with the placement until you're satisfied with how it fits into your site's design. And there you have it, you've successfully added a search bar to your Squarespace website. It's a simple yet powerful way to improve navigation for your users. Remember, a user-friendly website can lead to longer visits and ultimately better engagement with your audience. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tips to optimize your site.